Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I am back with another awesome recipe for y'all. Today we will be making something fancy or whatever. Today we will be making lamb chops. Yes, you guys, I know it sounds fancy, but when you take the time to learn the recipe, you will appreciate this recipe. It's a fancy type of meal. Okay, so if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking, like the video if you enjoyed it. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's begin. Now what I have here is 3 cloves of garlic. I have rosemary and thyme. What I am going to do is just remove the leaves, put them on the side. I am using 2 rosemary sprigs and about 3 thyme sprig or whatever. Just remove them. Once you are done removing your thyme and your rosemary from the stem, you're going to chop everything together. Make sure you chop them. You don't want to chop it too much. It's just the flavor. You want to bring out the flavor from the rosemary, the thyme, the garlic. Just give it a, not roughly, but you want it to be nice and not too tiny. That's the word I'm looking for. Just like so, just to bring out the flavor, like I said. That's why I am chopping them small, just like I am doing right now. Once you are done, I am going to add this mixture or whatever in this bowl right here, which is the bowl we're going to marinate our lamb, and just add that in there. Now the next step is the measurement will be down below, so check it out. I am going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. Next, I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Next, I am adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now I am going to add half a lemon juice in there, not lime, lemon. Make sure you guys use lemon. With this recipe, I am using lemon, half a lemon. Just squeeze the juice out and pour it in there. Last but not least, I am using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just add that in there and mix it up together. That's our marinating for our lamb chops. Okay, now make sure you mix it well together until everything is well combined. Now the smell of this mixture just smells amazing because of the rosemary, the thyme. It just makes it smell so fresh and so, yummy. Make sure you mix it really good. Now this is our lamb chops. This is how it looks. I rinse it, just rinse it with water and some vinegar, a little bit of vinegar. Just rinse it and wipe it. Now I am going to cut the lamb chops. I am going to cut it by twos. Once you are done cutting it, we're going to add it into our marinating. Just add your lamb chop in there. Now is the time when everything gets real. You want your lamb chops to be really flavorful. You want it to be tasty. You want it to taste, every part of the lamb chops to taste delicious. So I am using my hand to make sure all the mixture get in the lamb chops. And then after you're done marinating it, we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, or for best result you can leave it overnight for 24 hours. It will taste even better. So yeah, that's what I am going to do. I let it sit for about an hour. And the reason why I use the lemon juice is because of the gamey taste. You will not get that when you eating this lamb chop. It will not taste gamey or anything like that, okay? So now I have this skillet on the stove already heating. I added about a tablespoon, I will say a tablespoon of olive oil on there. Make sure it's all over the skillet, and then we're going to sear our lamb chops. And make sure your skillet is hot, okay, not cold. Just make sure it's hot. You can see the marinating on there. Like, this is what's going to, all those flavor, when they combine, it just make the lamb chop taste so good, okay? Now we're going to sear the lamb chops all over, all 4, maybe 3, because it's kind of hard to do the part where the bones is at. It's kind of hard to sear it, but I just like so. You see how it's nice and golden. This is the color we're looking for. We're going to make sure we sear all 3 parts of the lamb chops, okay? Now it's time for me to flip it over so I can sear the other side of the lamb chops. And make sure you get the bottom part, just like so, just like I'm doing right now. Just make sure you get all of the 3 parts of the lamb chops. Once I am done, they should look something like this. Now I am going to add 1 cup of red wine in there. Just pour that in there and let it simmer. Okay, just pour it in there. The flavor of the wine is just gonna make the lamb chops nice and tender. Now we're going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time for me to bake the lamb chops. I know they're not fully cooked yet. You want to fully cook your lamb chops, so I am going to add it in this baking pan right here, and then I will add the sauce, the gravy on there, just like so. That's the gravy we made with the wine. Just pour it in there, and then we're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they come out, this is how they're supposed to look. Like I said, this is a fancy type of dinner, and this is how it looks. It's nice and juicy. You can tell how juicy it is already. Now it's time for me to plate this lamb chops for you guys. It just looked very upscale, very, fancy. So I am going to plate it for you guys, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really truly do. If you did enjoy this recipe, if you want more recipe like this one, let me know down below. This is it. This is the gravy. Once it's kind of like settled, it becomes a little thicker. It's just very fancy and very delicious. This is it, really. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure you give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking for more delicious recipes like this one, and also share it with a family member, a sister, a mother, a brother. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.